and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making the first smoothie in our 3-day detox smoothie series. We are starting with the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Our smoothies are going to go breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you're going to want to repeat this for 3 days in a row, but it's also completely optional, and you can just have this one for breakfast if you want. I am not a dietitian, but this is something I usually do if I want to lose a few pounds or just give my body a natural detoxification. So let's get started. The first thing I've done is filled up my blender with about a cup of ice, and to that I'm going to be adding in 1 frozen banana to add a little sweetness to our drink, along with some fresh spinach. I'm just using about 1 large handful of fresh spinach today, because we gotta have our greens, along with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I love chia seeds because they're packed full of protein. And I have about half of a lemon or 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice going in. Along with our green tea, I have 1 cup of green tea that I brewed about an hour ago, and I like to use 2 tea bags, but you can also use 1, just because I find it gives it a stronger flavor. And now it's completely cool, and let's pour this in. You can use any green tea that you like, but I prefer using jasmine green tea because I love the flavor. Next, I'm adding in half a cup of almond milk that is unsweetened, or the milk of your choice. And now we can blend it all together. Okay, and here we have our blended up smoothie, and it looks absolutely delicious, and I'm really hungry, so it's perfect timing. And this serves 1 to 2 people depending on how hungry you are. And I always like to garnish my drink, so I'm gonna put a little banana on the side. I filled this up quite a lot, so it's starting to overfill, so I think it's time to take a sip. It's very good. It's very light and refreshing. I think it's a very nice way to start your morning and have it be the first thing that's really in your stomach, because it is a very gentle smoothie. Also, if you love smoothies that are healthy and delicious as much as I do, there will be a playlist right here and over here. And don't forget to check back in next week for our lunchtime smoothie. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!